Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, what are you doing? Go, go. Jesus Christ. Go. Holy sh**.
I mean, she was clearly there. I don't know what you were...
Well, I didn't know where she was going. I thought she was going to park.
I don't think she knows where she's going either.
And Roar, right above us is the... Oh, you rat bastard. And on the right, this building right here is where I lived for a long time. Apartment 2B. Right there in the corner unit on the second floor. Right there. That's where we lived.
Oh my, the big family fun show that awaits you on the inside. You can't truly say you've been to Coney Island unless you come in and see Sideshow by the Sea.
It's really loud over here. I'm gonna get demonetized, all this music playing in the background. All right, there's the beach right behind us. It's crossed off the list. For the 50, that's 10 rides. I think that's good, right? 10 rides for you?
No!
That's all right.
And if you want more, we can
10
always
rides
do
should be all
more.
right. So I just paid 40 bucks. Well, my mom and grandma paid 40 bucks for Rory to get the 50 credits. So it's really like 10 rides. This is scary, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is very scary. She doesn't think it's scary. I think it's scary. Yeah, forget that. Look at the line to get to Nathan's. Oh my God. That's crazy. So we had to leave because little Aurora almost had heat stroke. She overheated.